After thousands of TruDrop installations, we've composed a list of equipment, tools, products, and other items that we've found to be essential to a successful installation. Let's get started with general supplies. Our TruDrop self-watering planters have a large capacity of water, some of them up to 55 gallons, so we highly recommend adding the Easy Drain system for larger planters. This will save time and strain when you need to move them, repot, clean or empty water to dry potting mix. You'll need towels on hand for cleaning planters and picking up any water or soil spills. A hose to fill or empty a planter. Your hose should have an easy drain coupler ready in case you overfill a planter or you need to empty it or move it during installation. Bring a dolly to move planters or supplies around. A watering can, which by the way can be a great gift for your special clients. And gloves to protect your hands and of course keep them clean. If you do get a planter dirty, cleaning spray, vinegar mix, or wipes are key. For very stubborn stains or an accumulation of hard water stains over time, we recommend mixing a solution with vinegar and oxygen bleach, leaving it on the planter, and then washing it off, preferably with a pressure washer. Now to take care of the plants. For houseplant installations, use a systemic treatment. Houseplants are grown outdoors in tropical climates, which means they can come from a grower with a fungus and gnats growing in the soil. When you bring them indoors, those have a tendency to multiply. For that reason, we always recommend preventatively treating the plants prior to installation. Another item you'll want to have in your toolbox for houseplants is plant shine. Shiny leaves are always a plus, but this can also help avoid mealybugs growing on your leaves and stems. Don't use plant shine on outdoor plants as they can be harmful and detrimental to the plant. The beauty of TruDrop is that you can use less fertilizer than in traditional containers. Because the water cavity holds on to the fertilizer instead of running off through the drainage holes, plants are fed continuously and for longer periods. Generally, you can use 50% of the suggested fertilizer quantity on your product label. We often use liquid fertilizers dropped directly into the water cavity, but you can also use top fertilizers as long as you water right after the application. They say it's what's inside that counts, and when it comes to potting mix, it really does. Potting mix serves as a sponge to get water to roots, which is why it's essential to success to source a potting medium with adequate drainage. Mediums that contain peat or rice husks or other substrates are excellent. You want a medium that does not compress over time too quickly. Garden soil is not adequate for containers and should not be used. Troubleshooting. The last tool to have handy in case you have to troubleshoot is a long rod or wire coat hanger, metal skewer for clearing the overflow drain hole if it is clogged. On occasion, debris can accumulate in the overflow drain. You don't want to use wood or something that can break and get stuck inside the planter. Adding this list of products to your toolbox will ensure that every installation is a successful one.